Chapter number 23, Growing Up and Growing Old. Let's say first point, as we grow. A little baby is born. What happened? Everyone is happy. And mother take care of her baby. And what care does she take? She baths the baby every day. She feeds it milk when baby is hungry. She sings it to sleep with lullabies. Slowly baby grows. It's become taller. Its weight also increases. Let's see how baby grows. When the baby grows up, it learns to crawl. Its teeth come out one by one. Then it learns to stand and later to walk. While this, it also increase his height and weight. The baby learns to recognize its mother, and also he started to recognize other people also. And slowly he start to have other foods also. Mother feeds the baby rice with milk. Gradually, means slowly, it begins to speak. Whether it is a boy or girl, when they become bigger, they are not babies any longer. A little boy becomes a big boy and a small girl becomes a big girl. At the age of 6, children start school. They keep growing in height until the age of 18. Till 40 years of age, a person stay fit. There is no gain in height, but weight keeps increasing. Good habits and good food helps to maintain good health. Regular exercise is benefit for us. After 40 years of age, there are changes in our body. Gradually, eyesight becomes weak and hair starts turning grey. In old age, the body's strength decreases. Hearing and memory become weak. Teeth begin to fall. We sleep less and develop various disorders. Just as people change over a period of times, changes also take place in plants with time. When a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plant is produced. Germination means the sprouting of seeds is also known as germination. For the sprout to grow, it must take root in the soil. Only then does the seedling that grows from the sprout flourish. The seedling absorbs water and some nutritious substance from the soil. The leaves begin to make food. The plants begin to grow. It gives out new leaves. It also begins to grow taller. At the proper stage of its growth, the plants begins to flower. Fruits develop from flowers. These fruits have seeds. From those seeds, new plants grow. The tree must withstand the sun, wind and rain all the time. Sometimes it is attacked by pests. This makes the tree weaker. At last, the tree trunk breaks. The tree falls down. All plants die. However, the causes are different. Let's see what we learn. First, there are certain stages of the growth and progresses of a baby. Second, a person continue to grow till the age of 18. Third, after 40 years of age, a person approaches old age. Fourth, changes take place in plants with the time just as they do in people. Fifth, standing from germination in the soil, there are definite stages of the growth of plants. Plants also grow in height and strength. Sixth, animals or plants all come to an end eventually. Hope you understood our lesson. Thank you.